Hello everyone. Today we are perform experiment number 19. तो यहाँ पे हमें एक सैम्पल दिया जाएगा. To identify that sample we have to perform various identification tests. So the title of this experiment is identification test for sodium bicarbonate. Means to perform and report identification test on given sample of sodium bicarbonate as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. तो हमें यहाँ पे आइडेंटिफिकेशन टेस्ट परफॉर्म करनी है एंड वी हैव टू ऑब्जर्व दैट एंड रिपोर्ट दैट आइडेंटिफिकेशन टेस्ट ऑन अ गिवन सैम्पल. तो यहाँ पे हमारा जो सैम्पल रहेगा वो सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट रहेगा. वी हैव टू परफॉर्म आइडेंटिफिकेशन टेस्ट फॉर दैट सैम्पल. ठीक है. सी हियर प्रपोजिशन 1 इज गिवन. We know the chemical formula for sodium bicarbonate is NaHCO3. Molecular weight for sodium bicarbonate is 84.01. See the proposition to description. यहाँ पे दिया है कि it gives organoleptic properties of the given compound. Organoleptic property means color, odor and its nature. तो जो सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट है it is crystalline powder और small opaque monoclinic क्रिस्टल. ओके. तो यहाँ पे क्रिस्टलाइन पाउडर होता है सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट का विच इज़ वाइट इन कलर एंड ऑर्डर इज़ ऑर्डरलेस. तो यहाँ पे हमें ऑर्गेनोलेप्टिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पता होनी चाहिए सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट की. देन सी द सोल्यूबिलिटी. हियर सोल्यूबिलिटी चार्ट डिस्क्रिप्टिव इन टर्म्स ऑफ डिस्क्रिप्टिव टर्म गिवन एज पर इंडियन फार्माकोपिया. सी वेरी सोल्यूबल descriptive term in case of approximate volume of solvent in ml per gram of solute. तो यहाँ पे हमें सोल्यूबिलिटी दी है और यहाँ पे हमें कितना सोलवेंट रिक्वायर्ड है टू डिज़ोल्व 1 ग्राम ऑफ सोल्यूट. तो अगर हमारा जो सैम्पल है वेरी सोल्यूबल रहेगा तो 1 ग्राम सोल्यूट it requires less than 1 ml of solvent to dissolve. ठीक है. तो इसे हम कह सकते हैं वेरी सोल्यूबल. अगर फ्रीली सोल्यूबल है तो 1 ग्राम सोल्यूट डिजॉल्व इन 1 to 10 ml ऑफ solvent. अगर सोल्यूबल है इट रिक्वायर्ड 10 to 13 ml ऑफ solvent टू डिजॉल्व 1 ग्राम ऑफ सोल्यूट. स्पैरिंगली सोल्यूबल है तो 30 to 100 ml solvent रिक्वायर्ड होगा टू डिजॉल्व 1 ग्राम ऑफ सोल्यूट. स्लाइटली सोल्यूबल है तो 100 to 1000 रिक्वायर्ड है. वेरी स्लाइटली सोल्यूबल है तो 1000 to 10,000 रिक्वायर्ड है. इनसोल्यूबल और प्रैक्टिकली इनसोल्यूबल अगर हमारा सोलवेंट मोर देन 10,000 रिक्वायर्ड है टू डिजॉल्व 1 ग्राम ऑफ सोल्यूट देन वी कैन से इट इज़ insoluble or practically insoluble. This is the solubility chart. You have to understand and remember it. Then after this organoleptic property you have to perform identification test, that is the solubility test, to identify which type of solubility in is for sodium bicarbonate. Then here some identification test is given. You have to perform that. Standard is given. Sodium bicarbonate contain not less than 99% and not more than 101% of sodium bicarbonate. ठीक है. कैटेगरी है इट इज़ इलेक्ट्रोलाइट, रिप्लेनिशर एंड सिस्टमिक अल्कलाइजर. इलेक्ट्रोलाइट में भी यूज़ किया जाता है. ठीक है. एज ए न्यूट्रिएंट इलेक्ट्रोलाइट एंड सिस्टमिक अल्कलाइजर. ओके. हमें पता है कि सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट इज हैविंग बेसिक कैटेगरी. Then see the apparatus required to perform identify. Some test tube we have required. Test tube stand लगेंगे graduate prepared 0.5 to 1 ml and 10 ml के. Chemicals required है यहाँ पे ये दिए है. Then step wise procedure for physical test. Physical test में पहले हमें जो सैम्पल दिया है सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट we have to observe it. ठीक है. उसका कलर क्या है, ऑर्डर है या नहीं. ठीक है. वो हमें पहले ऑब्जर्व करना है सैम्पल को. देन वी हैव टू परफॉर्म सोल्यूबिलिटी टेस्ट इन डिफरेंट सॉल्वेंट्स. ठीक है. कंपाउंड इज फ्रीली सोल्यूबल इन वाटर एंड प्रैक्टिकली इनसोल्यूबल इन इथेनॉल, 95% इथेनॉल. सी दिस प्रोसीजर फॉर आइडेंटिफिकेशन टेस्ट. फर्स्ट यहाँ पे टोटल 5 टेस्ट दी है. आपको ये 5 टेस्ट परफॉर्म करनी है. जो टेस्ट कॉम्प्लाइज होती है वहाँ पे आपको कॉम्प्लाइज लिखना है. ठीक है. सॉल्यूशन ऑफ सब्सटेंस मतलब हमें सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट का सॉल्यूशन लेना है then it after boiling it liberate the carbon dioxide. As per that you have to read this step-wise procedure identification test and perform it. ठीक है. Then you have to write this observation table according to performance. After performance of identification test you have to write here observation, then inference मतलब result लिखना है आपको क्या आया. ठीक है. Then lastly result. Okay, so let's start with identification test for sodium bicarbonate. See, this is sodium bicarbonate. It is crystalline powder. See, this is crystals है इसके. ठीक है. Okay, first of all we have to observe this sample. It is crystalline powder, white in color and odorless. Okay, now we have to perform solubility test. Now I have taken 1 gram of sodium bicarbonate, and in this test tube I have taken 1 ml of water. First of all we have check the solubility in water. ठीक है. See, this is not soluble. Now I can use up to 10 ml water, which is हमें पता है कि सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट इज़ फ्रीली सोल्यूबल इन वाटर. तो जो एज़ पर दिस चार्ट फ्रीली सोल्यूबल के लिए हम सोलवेंट यूज़ कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम 1 to 10 ml. तो हम वाटर यूज़ करेंगे अप टू 10 ml. सी सम what is clear. Okay. I have just add up to 5 ml. For freely soluble you can add again 5 ml. See, this is freely soluble, not completely. Okay, I have used up to 10 ml water. Okay, now you can write in observation table this is freely soluble in water. Now we are going to perform solubility for ethanol 95%. I have add 1 gram of sodium bicarbonate in first 10 ml ethanol. See, this is not dissolving. ते डिझॉल्व होत नाही आहे कारण की आपल्याला माहिती की इट इज प्रॅक्टिकली इनसोल्युबल इन इथेनॉल. In this observation table for practically insoluble the quantity for solvent is more than 10,000 ml. तो हमें यहाँ पे 10,000 ml से ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी रिक्वायर्ड है. सी, आई एम एडिंग इन दिस बीकर. सी, इसमें भी डिज़ोल्व नहीं हो रहा है. ठीक है, मतलब इट इज़ अ प्रैक्टिकली इनसोल्यूबल इन 95% इथेनॉल. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू परफॉर्म फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफिकेशन टेस्ट, दैट इज सोल्यूशन ऑफ सब्सटेंस. मीन्स फर्स्ट आई हैव टेकन हियर सोल्यूशन ऑफ अ सब्सटेंस मीन्स सोल्यूशन ऑफ बायकार्बोनेट. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू बॉईल इट. ओके, मी आता याला बॉईल करते या सोल्यूशनला and it liberate carbon dioxide. Okay, after boiling this solution of sodium bicarbonate liberate carbon dioxide. See here some vapors of carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Okay, after boiling the solution. Now we are going to perform second solution, second identification test. First of all we have to treat the solution of sodium bicarbonate with solution of magnesium sulfate. no precipitate is formed. Firstly, no precipitate is formed. When you are going to boil it, a white precipitate will be there formed. Here I have taken solution of sodium bicarbonate. Now I am going to treat this solution with some solution of magnesium sulfate. Okay, I am going to add solution of magnesium sulfate. There will be no precipitate will be formed here. See this, no precipitate is okay. Solution is clear, but after boiling there will the precipitate will be formed. So now I am going to boil this solution. So after boiling there is a, see this solution, there is formation of precipitate. See this precipitate after boiling the solution. ओके यहाँ पे प्रेसिपिटेट फॉर्म हुए हैं जब हमने सॉल्यूशन ऑफ सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट ट्रीट किया था सॉल्यूशन ऑफ मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट के साथ. बिफोर बॉइलिंग देर इज़ नो प्रेसिपिटेट फॉर्म, बट आफ्टर बॉइलिंग द प्रेसिपिटेट इज गोइंग टू बी फॉर्म. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू परफॉर्म थर्ड identification test. First of all, we have to give the 0.1 gram of substance in test tube. Then we have to add 2 ml of water. Then add 2 ml of 2 molar acetic acid. Then we have to feed the stopper over the test tube. Then bend it to right angle and heat gently. And the fume which is evolve from the test tube get allowed to mix up or collect that gas in 5 ml of barium hydroxide solution. So white PPT will be formed that dissolve on addition of excess of dilute HCl. So let's start. Here I have taken sample of sodium bicarbonate. Now I am going to add 2 ml of water in this test tube. Now I am going to add 2 ml of water. Mix it properly. Okay. After that we have to add 2 molar acetic acid for 2 ml in this solution. I am going to add 2 molar of acetic acid solution in this test tube. So you have to immediately apply the stopper over it. Okay? See, bubbles are evolving after adding acetic acid 2 molar. Now we have to heat it at right angle. Then which gas evolve? That gas mixed with barium hydroxide solution. Okay. To heat this solution gently. Okay. After evolving gas, we have to collect that gas with this barium hydroxide solution. Okay. But I am going to directly add this barium hydroxide solution in this test tube. So there will be the formation of white PPT, white color PPT. Okay. You have to heat it gently. Okay. With gas is evolving. Okay. See this. Is evolving. Now I am going to add here immediately barium hydroxide solution. White PPT will be formed there. Okay, see this. There is formation of white color PPT. This PPT on addition of dilute HCl get dissolved. Okay, and clear mixture will be formed there. Here white color PPT are formed. Now I am going to add excess of dilute HCl. After that the PPT will be get dissolved. See here PPTs are getting dissolved with dilute HCl. Okay. सी मिक्सचर जो सॉल्यूशन फॉर्म हुआ है यहाँ पे क्लियर हो गया है. देयर विल बी नो पीपीटी इन दिस सॉल्यूशन. ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू perform next identification test. Now I am going to perform this test. First of all, I have taken 0.1 gram of substance, that is sodium bicarbonate, in test tube. I have taken 2 gram of substance. In that I have add 2 ml of water. After that I am going to add 2 ml of 15% solution of potassium carbonate. I have add here 2 ml 15% weight by volume potassium carbonate solution. Okay, now I am going to heat it. No precipitate will be formed after heating. Okay, there is no PPT will be formed after heating. Now I am going to add 4 ml of potassium, freshly prepared potassium antimonate solution in this solution. Then we have to allow for heating up to boiling. Okay, here boiling is going to start. After boiling we have to cool it for in ice. Okay, then after cooling the solution it will form dense PPT after scratching the test tube. Now I am going to cool it on ice. This I have put this solution on ice. After cooling it will form dense PPT after scratching this beaker or test tube. There is formation of PPT after cooling the solution. See, this PPT are formed after scratching this. Okay, see, this test is performed now. Now we are going to perform last test. First of all I have taken some substance. Now I am going to acidify with 1 molar acetic acid solution. Getting evolved after adding acetic acid. Now I am going to add excess amount of magnesium uranyl acetate solution. Okay, after this yellow crystalline precipitate will be formed. I am going to add excess amount of magnesium uranyl acetate solution. See, there is a formation of somewhat PPT, but it is not having dark yellow color, somewhat having faint. Okay, see this. Okay. Now this experiment, that is identification test for sodium bicarbonate, is over. Okay, you have to solve all the questions and submit to the honors.